Hi guys, today I'm gonna open my gift from Tita Joy. But first I need to get this untied from my mother. Mama! Pa-open ito. Yung ribbon. Ma! Yung ribbon. Okay, I got an advice from my mother. Yes! Oh guys, it's so cute. What's this? Oh my god, what's this? What's this? Let's just get this. Let's get this open. Wait, there is a plastic pala. Let me just take it off. Got it! I'm scared. I'm just scared because it might not be good. So what's this, guys? Wow! It's so I literally can't control myself. This is so good. Let's test the smell of this perfume. Oh my god. Ito, I didn't smell it. Bango! Okay, now let's check this one. It's in the box too. Wow! But what is this thing? How do you even open this thing? Oh, I got it. Hi guys, I got it. So good. Wow. This is so good. What is that? Wow! It's my favorite color and I love it! Like, look! Oh my god, guys! And I'm gonna show you the perfume. It's so cute. Well, bye guys! If you wanna see me unboxing again, click the subscribe button. Bye-bye!